Hi loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be bringing you another video, and hey, this is one of my first intros I think of 2012, what are we doing, 2021. It's one of my first intros on camera again. Glad to be seeing you guys. I see you and I appreciate you being here. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. I do a lot of DIY videos, beauty videos, faith videos, and I'm going to be doing some more lifestyle videos this season. So I'm excited for that. I hope you guys will definitely like the channel, thumbs up the video, and be sure to subscribe. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here and supporting me for my entire YouTube journey. I appreciate you guys. There is definitely some more videos coming soon. This video, I am very excited. I've been meaning to shoot this video since last year, late last year, because I got some new goodies. Oh, it's backwards. I got some new goodies. Well, a goodie. And I want to share it with you guys. So if you love like small leather goods, luxury goods, and you are experienced with my channel, so you may know what this likely is, stay tuned because I don't want you to miss it. Okay, so let's get into this. I am going to unbox this for you guys, and then of course I will zoom in and show you the details and all of that good stuff. But here we go. Throw the box on the floor. They wrap it so pretty, and I did unwrap this, but oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. Look, it is the Ulysses notebook cover and a notebook on the inside, which you do get separately. So I really wanted this. I had been looking on the site all last year for the color that I wanted, and this is just like a perfect pink. I definitely, you guys know, if you've been here, and if you haven't, I'm going to tell you, but pink is my favorite color. So a lot of the things that you see on my channel are pink or gold or have some kind of sparkle and pizzazz to them, because that's what I like. It makes me happy. And so I was waiting for them to have this pink. This is I think this is called the MM or GM size. I will definitely leave the exact thing below. Whoops, dropped something out. And this is basically how it works here. There's two little buttons in the back that you clip in the notebook. So this is refillable. I can take this notebook in and out. We'll just do this on camera. So it just pops out, and then you have the cover here with the two little brads, so you can put the notebook back, and then it just folds like that, and then you tap it, and then you can get a lined notebook, you can get a blank notebook, and I chose to get the blank one because I want to be able to do like sketches and write, just to have like a little bit more flexibility in my note taking. It does come with this little lined card that you can put in there because you can see through the papers and write on it. So I'm very excited. They do have a couple options, like I said, lined, blank, and I do believe there might be like an agenda or calendar. But as you guys know, I have my own planner, so I'm using that. And so you just pop it back in when you are ready. I like searched on YouTube for months when I was looking for this, just to get like reviews on the Ulysses cover and the Hermes notebooks, and kind of see how they work. And there weren't that many. Like it's like I don't know if it's a well-known, well-kept secret, I mean, because there just weren't that many options. So I definitely will be using this and letting you guys know how it writes, or how the paper absorbs the ink. You know, I use Villa Beautiful and Simply Gilded pens for the most part, so I'll be letting you guys know that. I also want to do sketches in here, so I'll let you know how it works with my pencils and I'm just so very excited. Now, one thing I will tell you that I already know is I wish, because I like gold and rose gold, like metallic hardware, I wish that these were, there was an option to have gold or rose gold, but these are silver and they have the little Hermes logo on them. So yeah, I'm very, very, very excited, and I wanted to quickly share that with you. So I am going to flip the camera over, give you some detailed shots so you can see, and in one of my next videos, after I've used it for a bit, I will come back and let you know how the leather is wearing, and what I like about the notebook or don't like about using the blank notebook on the inside. I can tell you, I think the cover was about $320, I believe, and it's, to me, well worth it. It is cheaper than, way cheaper than any of the Louis Vuitton agendas, or the desk cover that doesn't have the rings in it. I think for Louis Vuitton, that one is like 600, and the agenda is somewhere in the 800s. So this is actually super affordable as far as if you're into luxury stationery and luxury planning items. This is definitely one of the affordable ones, but like I said, it must be like a well-kept secret, because I don't see that many of the planner community talking about Hermes notebooks. So I wanted to try it out for you guys. And then the inside, the insert, this one I believe was $50. I will double check for sure that I have those numbers right and put them in the notes below so that you guys know that. But yes, now with Hermes, the color options, you really have to either stock the website or do both, like stock the website and talk to your sales associate. So I actually had a really great sales associate. I was able to get an appointment last year, and it took, I think I want to say it took like a month or so, month and a half, for her to be able to get this in. She ordered it, and then I just had to wait until it came in. But this is the color I wanted. They also had a color from previous years that I did see. It was like a baby pink, and I would love to have that one too. But as I learned, the colors are like seasonal. The pinks are seasonal. So this is the one for last year. And so I will definitely be stocking the website this year if I like using this, this system. And I'll let you guys know. So let's flip the camera and get into these details. So I hope you guys liked that quick video on my new Hermes Ulysse notebook. And leave me a comment below, like if you're a part of the planner community, have you experienced the Ulysses notebooks? Do you use them? What are you using for your planner system? I'm definitely going to bring you guys, I haven't done it in like a couple years, but I'm definitely going to bring you guys a planner system video to show you what I'm using. I'm using this. I'm using my disc-bound planner from my own planner brand, the Diva Diaries. And what else am I using? Oh, I'm also using my Louis Vuitton notebook. That's the one that I kind of journal and write notes in. So I will show you how I'm using that system in one of my next videos. I love you guys. Bye, and I'll catch you on the next one.